Hello guys, welcome on my channel, and today we're gonna talk about new very cool project which calls ZETACHAIN. It's a new blockchain, decentralized, omni-chain. It has a lot of cool features in it, plus pretty unique stuff. If you want to read about this project, you can go to their website and find here a page which calls white paper. But what's more important for us, they have testnet in which we can probably have some airdrop, right? And testnet is pretty cool, it's really easy, and you don't need to spend anything, just for free, totally for free, even not gas, So it's what we need. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna press this button, launch testnet app. Let's go. Okay, so here we're gonna connect our wallet, and first of all, to do some swaps, what we need to go to this page which calls Get Zeta. Let's go. And first step we're gonna connect our Twitter to this website, and this website has some requirements. So we have to have Twitter older than 1 month plus more than 20 followers. If we have those requirements, we're gonna connect it, verify, and here we're gonna have, I guess, green button. I'm gonna say just request for Zeta or something like that. We're gonna press it, and then we're gonna give us some Zeta. As you can see, we can do it once per 24 hours. You can read more about it here in some details if you need. If you don't need, just let's go next. We're gonna press here to swap, and for now they have 4 different networks. Ethereum, all these networks are testnet, okay? So first one is Ethereum, Smart Chain, Polygon, and Bitcoin. We're gonna use Smart Chain for now. If you don't have one of those networks, you can go to website which calls chain list. You can write any network you need here, connect to wallet. If you need testnet, you can press tick here, and you're gonna see all networks here, even testnets. Alright, after that we're gonna choose one of tokens we need. We're gonna use Zeta. We just request them right here, right? And another one gonna be Ethereum. And here we're gonna choose also, let's go Zeta as well. We're gonna write, we have maximum 6, let's go max, and we're gonna receive 3.5. After that we're gonna press review order. Okay, allow Zeta transfer, submit in their MetaMask, and then press swap. Submit one more time. Alright, so as you can see, we need 4 confirmations. One is from Binance Smart Chain testnet, then ZETACHAIN, and then Gorilla Ethereum. It says it takes like 5 minutes, but like actually less, maybe like 1 minute. It depends, but we don't care about this stuff. Let's go next. Next page is leaderboard. On this page we can see how many transactions we made, and how many invites do we have, how many tokens we have, how many points we have, and then our rank, and of course first day. So how can we earn some points? They give us 1000 points per day per one swap. No matter how many swaps you do per day, they're gonna give us no more than 1000 per day. Plus they're gonna give us 5000 per registration and 5000 per each invite. So if we invite someone, they're gonna give us 5000, and if I'm not mistaken, they're gonna give us 150 points per each transfer of that person. By the way, sometimes you do swap and they don't give you 1000 right away, and as you can see right here, swap again in 2 days and 6 hours, and you're gonna earn 7 more thousand. So probably they're gonna give you once per week or something. If you did swap and nothing changed, you have still same amount of your points. Don't worry about that, just keep doing, and in a few days they're gonna give you 5, 7, 10,000, no matter. It works like that. So here we have one more page called Earn Zeta. We can share in our Twitter. Here we can see each invite give us 5000 points for each weekly transferring 1750. Or we can send our direct link to someone else. Okay, as you can see, it took even less, just like 22 seconds or something like that, maybe even faster, maybe longer, I don't know, but in the end it's much less than 5 minutes, and we did transfer successfully. And after that we're gonna go to next website, and next site gonna be Cruise 3. Here we're gonna do some public activity, follow the Twitter and stuff. It's not that hard. So the main point is to earn as many experience as we can and get high level, but the most important stuff is to get some Discord role, right? Actually, for this airdrop, get role is, let's say, kind of hard because you have to write blog or do video, but if it's like not that hard for you, you can do it. As for me, I wrote one post and made one content, and I'm gonna do maybe video or something like that. So you can also try that. Maybe you can do that. Also, they have some security questions, the Twitter just like retweet, reply and stuff, and daily connection just like 5 experience or something. Okay, next website gonna be GALXE. A lot of people know this website, it's pretty popular. Here we can get some NFT. Also very easy. For now we're available just 4 NFTs, but soon we're gonna have 4 more, and now it appears new one, but it's still like not available, you know. So to get this NFT are pretty simple. Let me show you. You're gonna go to any random. It's basically just verify your Discord and following Twitter. Okay, after that we're gonna go to next website, which calls Quest. I'm gonna leave a link below the video, or otherwise you can go to my Telegram. I'm gonna write everything step by step there. Plus I post some interesting stuff. Not just airdrop, but smart ideas, some news about NFT. So content basically is pretty cool. I'm trying my best, so follow my Telegram as well. This website we also can earn 1 NFT, 75 more days. As you can see, just follow Twitter, Discord with website, invite 1 friend, and get one, like do 1 mission on Zeta. It's just I show you here. Zeta supporter or something like that. So, and one more, last one, it's a guild. So when we connected to their Discord, we connect our Ethereum wallet, and then we need to get just 2 NFT. As you can see, it's Zeta supporter. Here I showed you, just verify your Discord and follow them in Twitter, and that's it. This quest already done. And another quest to just have one of these campaigns NFT. It's also pretty simple. It's also here on GALXE. As you can see, all these NFT are here: Zeta USDT, Zeta Girly Ethereum, and Zeta Matic. So let's go just to Matic, for example. And what we need to do, we just need to verify our Discord, and then Twitter, and then just do 1 swap on Mumbai, right? So here instead of Binance Smart Chain, we're gonna choose Polygon Mumbai, do 1 swap, and then it's gonna be available for us and we can claim it. So you need to do at least 1 of these quests, but of course I'm gonna recommend you do all of these. It's pretty simple. Every day you can change network. You can one day swap Binance Smart Chain, another day you can swap Girly Ethereum or whatever. Plus one more thing, I don't know how important it is, but still they have Bitcoin testnet. I would recommend you swap them as well. To do that we need to use another wallet, XDeFi wallet. For my opinion, it's not the best wallet. I don't really like it, to be honest, but still it's just the only one option we have. Install by clicking here, and you can find some Bitcoin faucet here, coin faucet and Bitcoin faucet. Otherwise I'm gonna leave it in my Telegram or below the video. You can go through those links. You can read all this instruction how to use that, and swap one testnet bitcoins to something else, maybe for Ethereum as I did, or for, I don't know, maybe some Matic or whatever. I think it's very good because you're gonna kind of use 2 wallets, and it's also might be useful, so don't skip that part as well. Okay guys, that's it about this project. It's pretty simple. I highly recommend you do everything. It's so easy. Don't waste your time, just keep going, working, and wish you all the best. Good luck, see you next time. Bye bye.